Welcome to Express Time Solutions tutorials. Today I'd like to talk to you about Express Inspections. Once you've added in your building into Express Time Solutions Data Manager, it automatically comes over to Express Inspection as a building unit. Once you've logged in to Express Inspections by going to app.expressinspections.net using your same company ID, username, and password, you're able to go into administration. And this is where you would be able to set up your own customizable templates, see templates that are already there, and add in your different inspection points that you would like. You can also add users, which this comes with unlimited users and unlimited inspections and unlimited buildings. You can maintain your users by checking here and looking at their credentials and passwords and whatnot. You're able to look at unit types, and such as banks, churches, general inspections, templates, hotel, industrial, whatever your type might be, and you're able to add in new types. And then you would go to item types, and this would be what you would do in an item, in a bank, or in something you'd put in the rooms. And then you would do zones if it's multiple floors or different areas in the building. And then inspection types, this is the actual what you would do in those rooms. So once you have those put in, you're able to go down, and then you can look at the unit templates, and you can build templates from here, what you would do in a bank or what you would do in a church, and so on and so forth. You would be able to edit and add whatever you would want to do in those particular buildings. Once you have your template set up, you can actually then go to the unit itself, and then you can go to Options, Edit, and then you'd be able to select the unit template from here. Once you've selected a template, you can go in and customize that template, or you can view other points and add other inspection points that you would like to in there. Such as here we have offices. This is what we would do in the offices that are checked. You can uncheck or check any other items you would want, and it would change it there. It would not change your template. It would only change for that one building what you just did. You're able to do copy from another unit. If you wanted to copy what you have in a previous building, you're able to just do copy from, and it will ask you what building would you like to copy from. You select it and you hit OK, and it will then pull in those inspection points from that building that you have. You also have plenty of reports. You can look at inspections, past due, pending, completed inspections, some that are in progress, and you can also do trending reports, and it will be a breakdown of how I'm doing in each building or into a specific building, how am I doing on a specific task. You're able to do trending reports. You also can go under scheduling, and you can schedule inspections for people to go do. You can view inspections. You can view a calendar of inspections. You can reassign inspections, and then you can also cancel inspections that have been submitted. Also under administration, you're able to do follow-up rules. You can set your follow-up rules to tell a minimum score of 70 out of 100. You're going to automatically reschedule that for 3 days later. It will show up on that inspector's calendar to go back and to re-inspect that building. Thanks again for watching this tutorial.